This is a $1 million question. When I say $1 million question, I know you have been having this question within you as a creator, a YouTube creator. You've been on YouTube for 1 year, you've been on YouTube for 2 years or 3 years or 3 months. But most of us have this question that I'm going to elaborate today. This question I've been asking myself some time back. Now, behold, I found this question. I was sent an email about it, and I'm going to read for you. I'll also put it on our screen, then I'll explain for you this. She said, I've been on a YouTube channel. It grows, but very slowly. I've checked very successfully channels with similar content, quality, and all things are very similar. Why my channel doesn't have same success? How can I know? Is it possible to investigate? Hey guys, now I'm talking to creators. You might be having a such similar question that I had for some time, until when I realized these answers. Now, when this lady sent this question and it was sent to my email, I'm like, baby girl, don't mind. We have been there. We are still there. There are those days that I sit down and like, oh my God, why is it that my videos, my views cannot go to 1 million like others? Then when I check on others, I say they are moving. But then sometimes I look at the videos that go viral and I see there is someone also with 2 views. So today, have you ever wondered, this is the question that I had for a long time. You've wondered why your YouTube channel, why my YouTube channel is not successful like for so and so. Even though you're creating similar content, even sometimes you go extra mile and make yours very superb, top-notch editing and other things. Especially for people who are doing it. Me, I'm not doing top-notch editing. I don't have that time. You are not alone, let me tell you the truth. There are very many thousands of ladies, of men, of people out there that are facing, and they have the same question today. I'm going to break it down for you one by one. Why you think, or why we check our success is not similar to those people. But the first thing before I break it down, I want you to know that don't compare your success with any other person. Why shouldn't you compare your success with any other person? Or what you see on top is not what is there. You might see this laptop like this, you say it is so new, it's what, but inside, how much are they earning? It's all about different things, why their views or their success we think is better than ours. It's about strategy, it's about timing, it's about execution, it's about a lot of many reasons. But I'm going to dive into these reasons into details, and we talk about them. We see what can we do, or why should we think that other people's success is different from ours, other people's channel is different from others. If it is bringing a lot of views, does it mean that it's bringing enough money for their bucks? Remember always that why are we on social media platform? Most of us, and in particular me, I'm there to make money, I'm there to make a brand, I'm there to hold your hand, and I'm there to teach you that we can earn this money without investing anything. So, by the way guys, hope you're doing well. Hopefully I greeted you. At this time of the hour, it is my part-time right now I'm doing, but the one I'm doing as part-time, I want it to be full-time. Have you done your challenge, your vlog max challenge for December? You know this month we have to double our earnings, and we have also to lay foundation for 2025 January. For all our top fans, royal subscribers, and new subscribers, we love you so much. Immaculate Show, this is what we do. We have to use what we have. We use our gadgets, use your gadget, and make money. Why are you on social media? Let's dive in. The first thing, why we think their success, our success is different is one. Content quality versus content quantity. You guys, we always know that our topics are the same. You see someone is in my line of making money online, but she's growing so fast and I'm not growing so fast. One, content quality. you might find that person the quality of content. And when we are talking about of quality of content, it has a lot of things. Quality matters. Lighting, I can assure that I see this video is superb. If I want to show you some videos I shot last week, I don't know what my light was, and having this challenge for a long time, I didn't have light. So that one would affect your reach, even would affect YouTube to recommend you. It would affect even people to watch. That is one. So let's not compare. The only thing we should compare these reasons. And for us, we run our own race, not run somebody's race. Then two, other creators must be spending more time on editing. What about you? Are you spending on editing? Are you spending on delivery? Or you're spending just to make a video and leave? A person like me, I don't have time to spend on editing. And with editing, it involves a lot of things. The visuals, the intro, even if you put the effects, you got to put in the background music. Those are a lot of things that affect our reach also. So put in that one also. Then the third thing is, ask yourself, is my content offering something variable or different? You might be an earning man online, but whatever you're bringing out, is it offering any variable thing? Is it really bringing a solution to somebody out there? So let's not compare our success. The only thing we should compare is these elements. And these elements can make somebody, you feel you're in the same niche, you feel you're in the same topic, but you find they are growing and you're not growing. Then the second thing is about audience engagement levels. Trust me, if your success is not about views, it's about how well audience interacts with your videos. The moment they interact with the video so much, I came to see, if they interact with your video so much, immediately the algorithm picks it and starts recommending it. But now you find like us with a smaller audience, 2 people, 3 people, our royal people are the ones recommending and chatting, are the ones even liking. We even go ahead and we use our husbands, our sisters, we like ourselves. So what do you think? Other channels might have a stronger call to action strategy, like shares, like likes. These ones, they boost the reach. So let's not compare content about views. No, success is even the outcome. How much do they earn? So the one I can engage, I can maybe should I call it advise us ourselves. We need to engage our audience always, especially in comment section. We ask them questions, we tell them to ask questions, and we answer them. Then the third one I talked about is the power of branding. Consistent branding. When we talk about branding, if I'm coming every day, now people know me, that Christine is always there, or Imaketso is always there, at this time she brings this. That's why you see even our royal people come back. So consistent branding is very, very, if your branding isn't cohesive, it is also not good. Eye-catching. Like, someone who normally makes my hair was like, Christine, you like these simple things, but you're always in the camera. There is a public, there are certain kind of people who want to see me with a wig up like this, with this, they want to see my boobs, putting them up like this. So it depends on your branding also. Their branding might be different from yours. Now, what I feel you need to use something, successful channels in your niche, and analyze their branding, then you compare them if you can compare that. And that's what I always do. I compare what they do and what I do. I say, okay, let me improve here. Then another why they seem to be successful than us or than you is about timing and consistency. These people posting frequently, I've seen it's superb. It makes your channel grow fast, even including the amount of money you earn becomes different. You people, it's because you're not seeing amount of money for people who are posting every day, every minute. Even if I'm telling those people, even if they have 20, 30, 40 views, they will be earning a lot of money depending on the CPM, depending on their niche. To do on this, you guys, consistency and timing. We need to use the algorithm, and this is what I did. If you go in your analytics, you'll find there the time of the time when your viewers are online. You need to follow that. You put it there. Then consistency. You people, me now, I cannot be separated with consistency. That's why you see, even when there's like AC is running, I come and make the video because I don't want to break the chain. Even if when I'm tired, I'm from work, like as I'm recording this video, I'm from work. By the I'm recording, it is 2:45 a.m. in the morning. I'm recording this video because I don't want to be left down. I don't want to be left out. So try to work on your consistency. Let's work on our consistency. Let's work on our timing. Like in Market Show, we saw most of our people watch videos at 9. They watch videos at 9, 3, 9. When I tried to change it because of time and being hectic and it is too much, and I put at 12 p.m., those videos, they don't move now 2 days. So we have to check our timing. Then what I also added there is about algorithm and CEO strategy. The YouTube algorithm rewards channels with good CEO's practices. What are CEO practices? We have like titles, description, tags, and even those tags that match what people are searching for. So I always tell you people, use optimization. What? I use them sometimes, and sometimes I fail because of my timing. But I know what is supposed to be done. Optimize your titles, optimize your description, use key searchable words. If your content isn't optimized with high ranking keyword, it's harder for viewers to find you. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VIDQ to research trending keywords in your niche. You guys, the last but not least, this one is very, very, I always tell you about it, niche competition. When you're in niche competition, when you're in a niche and you find it's highly competitive, standing out is very tough. Like comedy, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about those ones. I'm telling, gaming, it is very, you have to be on top, you have to be a top-notch person for you to stand out. So you need to be this. Maybe what you need to do, you have to focus on progress rather than comparing yourself with others. I tell you the truth. Let's go to patience and time. It's easy to compare yourself with others, but remember, success takes time. You don't know when those people started. If I tell you I've stayed in this field now for 3 years, you'll not believe. But how did I start? And how much do you think I was earning at first? How much do you think I was earning today? I'm now earning today. It takes time, and we have to be patient. And as you become patient, you also engage with the above things I've been telling you. Then you start flying. Marketing beyond YouTube is very important, you guys. Successful creators often promote their videos on other platforms. You go to Instagram, you go to TikTok, you go to what? And if you're only relying on YouTube, you might be missing out in large audience, because there is an audience that is on TikTok that can never go on YouTube. But the moment they see yours and say, hey, let me follow you, I've gotten people like that. So guys, make sure you do, at least you try to really adjust. Sincerely, don't compare yourself. And I stopped comparing myself. The only thing I focus on is to make sure that, do I have good CEO's strategies? Am I doing what I'm supposed to do? If my lighting is not good, I really say, oh my God, this lighting is worst. If my voice, if the background is not good, you see. Really, and I follow up on analytics when I optimize my videos and I see the title is not standing out. If I see I try to do what I'm supposed to do. So this $1 million question, I know you have it, like the way I have it. But the only thing is to focus on what I've told you. If you can make sure that you go from that niche, you go from the niche which is highly competitive, you come to mine, if you're ready to work towards it, because you're not going to say make money online when you're begging. After making a video, then you beg the same people who are not doing it. So it will be a zero. It will be 0 10. Okay, so guys, this question you might have it, but get to know that it's patience. You need patience, you need consistency, you need quality, you need the persistence, you need a lot of things, including your niche. Thank you very much. Let's meet in another video.